Okay. Good morning, students. Good, good morning, students. Okay. So this is your what class? Okay, science. Okay. So let us start our science subject today. You know that we are doing which chapter? Chapter number? Yes, 4. Clothes our protectors. You will answer it. Okay, Shruti, Joita. Okay, so we will start chapter number 4, clothes our protectors. I have all written on the board. Okay, you will mute your microphone. Everybody will mute your microphone. Okay, please mute your microphone. So, okay, yes. So we will start. The question answer means we have already done question number 1 from long answer question. Yes. Yes, we have done question number 1, that is what are natural and synthetic fibers, give two examples of each from long answer question. So we will continue question number 2 today. We will complete the question today. So we will complete the chapter also today. So let me start. The question is, how should we take care of our clothes? How should we take care of our clothes? Please switch off your front camera. Please switch off the front camera. Yes, very good. Very nice. Wonderful. So let me start. You will also write down in your science copy. Okay. Okay. Long answer question. Please mute your microphone. Please mute the microphone. Okay. Question is question number 2. How should how should we take care how should we take care of our clothes? How should we take care of our clothes? Okay. So you will write the answer. Before starting, am I visible to you? And also the board is visible? Okay, very good. So you start writing now. Answer. We can take care we can take care of our clothes. We can take care of our clothes in the following ways. Okay, so what are the ways? We'll write it down. Okay, okay, no need of repeating the answer. Okay, you please mute your microphone so everyone will hear properly. I will also write down, I will also repeat the answer. Number A, point number A, we should always use a good quality soap and good quality soap and detergent to wash clothes. Okay, next point, point number B. We should wash, dry and iron the clothes properly. We should wash, dry and iron the clothes properly. We should wash, dry and iron the clothes properly. Point number C, third point, we should wash woolen clothes with liquid detergents with liquid detergents which made, no need of writing which, you write made. We should wash woolen clothes with liquid detergents made especially especially for them. Okay, we should wash woolen clothes with liquid detergent made especially for them. Number D, we should give delicate and expensive woolen and silk clothes for dry cleaning. We should give delicate and expensive woolen and silk clothes for dry cleaning. We should give delicate and expensive woolen and silk clothes for dry cleaning. Then last point, we should wrap silk and woolen clothes in a cotton cloth please mute your microphone, in a cotton cloth, and then store them with and then store them with dried neem leaves, dried neem leaves or naphthalene balls, yes, yes, everybody mute your microphone. We should wrap silk and woolen clothes in a cotton cloth and then store them with dried neem leaves or naphthalene balls. Naphthalene balls to protect from moth and silverfish. To protect from moth and silverfish. Okay. So I will repeat what I have written. So this answer is completed. So I will repeat it once again. See here. Yes, you can write insects also to protect from insects like moth and silverfish. Both answers are correct. Also, yes, Shruti, you have written. You can write here, I have written to protect from moth and silverfish, or you can write to protect from insects like moth and silverfish. Both are correct. It is not wrong. Okay, so I will repeat what I have written. How should we take care of our clothes? We can take care of our clothes in the following ways. Point number A, we should always use a good quality soap and detergent to wash clothes. First of all. Point number B, we should wash, dry and iron the clothes properly. We should wash, then put a comma, dry and iron the clothes properly. Point number C, we should wash woolen clothes with liquid detergents made especially for them. Okay. Then point number D, we should give delicate and expensive woolen and silk clothes for dry cleaning. And point number E, we should wrap silk and woolen clothes in a cotton cloth and then store them with dried neem leaves or naphthalene balls to protect from moth and silverfish. Surodeep, please don't show your face, Surodeep. Please switch off your front camera. Okay, you want to know the meaning of delicate. Delicate means very soft and expensive. Okay, delicate means very soft and very light. Okay, that kind of dress, that is delicate. Okay, so I will repeat once again. How should we take care of our clothes? We can take care of our clothes in the following ways. Number A, we should always use a good quality soap and detergent to wash clothes. Point number B, we should wash, dry and iron the clothes properly. Point number C, we should wash woolen clothes with liquid detergents made especially for them. Point number D, we should give delicate means soft. Okay, that is made of very soft and very precious. Okay, that one. We should give delicate and expensive woolen and silk clothes for dry cleaning. Point number E, we should wrap silk and woolen clothes in a cotton cloth and then store them with dried neem leaves or naphthalene balls to protect from moth and silverfish. You can write also this one, to protect from insects like moth and silverfish. Both are correct. Okay, I think all of you will switch off your microphone. Switch off your own microphone. You mute your microphone. Somebody cannot hear it properly. Please mute your microphone. Okay. You can also, for your easiness, I am telling that you can find the answer on page number 24 also. That care of clothes. Okay. Mute your microphone, everyone. Okay, so we have completed our chapter now. This completed question answer part is completed. Long answer question only 2 were there. We have completed both. Okay. So 1 and 2 we have completed. So we will do our revision work now. Okay. So all of you, please, those who have completed, I think all of you have completed your answer. I think all of you have completed. So we'll do our revision work now. Okay. See here, we'll start from the beginning, okay? From the exercise, beginning of the exercise. So all of you can find it on your book. You can see your book. Number A, tick the correct answer. Number 1, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Okay, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Your options were winter, summer, rainy season. Your answer is winter. Number 2, silk and woolen clothes have to be protected from insects like housefly, mosquito, moth. It is moth. Okay. Number 3, which of the following is a natural fiber? Wool, polyester, nylon. Wool is a natural fiber. Then number 4, which of the following should be kept in between woolen clothes to keep the insects away? Perfume, naphthalene balls, sand balls. Naphthalene balls. Okay. Turn to next page. All of you are requested to see your book. You please see your book and check your answer. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the help of given word. You know that no helping words are not given in the fill in the blanks. Only you have to fill in. So you will fill in the blanks there. Number 1, clothes dash us from cold, rain and dust. So clothes protect us from cold, rain and dust. Number 2, we wear dash in rainy season. We wear raincoat. Okay. Number 3, dash is a synthetic fiber. Nylon, rayon, polyester, anything you will write. Okay. Number 4, for proper care of clothes, we should always use a good quality detergent. Okay. Now number C, identify the following pictures and write their names in the space provided. Number 1, moth. The picture represents moth. Number 2, picture represents silverfish. Number 3 picture represent naphthalene balls. Okay. Okay. Now, very short answer question. Now I will discuss very short answer question. It is an oral revision work, so we will revise it orally or verbally. Number 1, name any two things used to keep insects away from clothes. So two things used to keep insects away from clothes are naphthalene balls and dried neem leaves. Naphthalene balls and dried neem leaves. Number 2, name any two synthetic fibers. Two synthetic fibers are nylon and rayon, or nylon and polyester, or rayon and polyester. Number 3, name two insects which harm the woolen clothes. Two insects which harm the woolen clothes are moth and silverfish. Two insects which harm the woolen clothes are moth and silverfish. Okay. So next we'll come to short answer question. Okay, all of you are hearing and all of you are checking your answer. Yes or no? I want your answer in the chat box. All of you are hearing and all of you are checking your answer. See here. Short answer question. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes due to the following reason. Number 1, clothes cover our bodies. Number 2, clothes make us look smart. Number 3, clothes protect us from the heat of the sun, cold, rain, dust and insect bite. And point number 4, clothes help us to identify the job of a person like doctor, lawyer, nurse and postman. Okay. Next question is, what are fibers? Name two types of fibers. What are fibers? Fibers are long and fine threads. Fibers are long and fine threads. The fabrics are made by weaving the fibers. Name two types of fibers. Two types of fibers are natural fibers and synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Next, question number 3. Reni gives her old woolen clothes to poor and needy people. How can we take care of woolen clothes? How can we take care of woolen clothes? 3A. See here, so your answer is we can take care of woolen clothes by the following ways. Number 1, point number 1, we should wash woolen clothes with liquid detergent which are made specially for them. Number 2, we should give delicate and expensive woolen clothes for dry cleaning. Point number 3 or last point is we should wrap woolen clothes in a cotton cloth and then store them with dried neem leaves or naphthalene balls to protect from insects like moth and silverfish. All of you got the answer? Then we will go to long answer question. We have done long answer question. We have not done 3B. We will go to long answer question number 1. Number 2 is written here. Number 1 is what are natural and synthetic fibers? Give two examples of each. So first of all, natural fibers. The fibers obtained from natural sources like plants and animals are called natural fibers. Examples are cotton and silk, or cotton and wool, or wool and silk. Any two example you can give. Then synthetic fibers, the fibers made from chemicals by the humans are called synthetic fibers or human made fibers. Examples are nylon and polyester, or polyester and rayon. Okay, and number 2 is already written here. You can know this one. So So that's all today, students. In our next class, we will switch over to a next chapter. Okay, so for the time being, goodbye to everyone and thank you. Goodbye and thank you to everyone.